Bitcoin is trading sideways, but for how long can it still continue? And some really interesting long-term data I have found that I wanna reveal here to you guys. Hi, my name is Alex from AMCrypto, and let's get here straight into the charts. So here I'm again on Bitcoin on the 4-hourly chart. So we can see here that we had here this initial move above our former resistance zone, now support, from 52,600 all the way up to $55,500 here. So, and now since then we are trading sideways here, which is technically a good sign because we have now confirmed multiple times the former resistance level as support as we are bouncing off it. So, but now obviously the question is, will we continue to go sideways and then push to the upside, or we will see here first a move down and then we come back to the upside? In my opinion, the $58,000 is a heavy resistance level from April and May. So it will be really tough for Bitcoin to get here over $58,000, even though that's the next logical target for Bitcoin. When I look here at some indicators, let's have a look here at the EMA ribbon. So we are still in an uptrend, but we're testing now the EMA ribbon on the 4-hourly. And remember guys, I had told you that this will be the case, that the price action will come to the EMA ribbon to test the EMA ribbon. So that happened now on the 4-hourly. So, but I wait still also for another retest on the daily for it. So here on the daily, a retest right now would bring us back to $49,000 approximately. The good thing is, the longer it takes, the more days we go here sideways, the higher the EMA ribbon is here moving to the upside. So let us check by how many dollars we are moving here to the upside. So from 2 days ago, we were at 48,990, and the next day, yesterday, we were at, let me check this here to be correct, on the yellow string we were at, so here 38,388 and then 38,949. So we are moving here approximately by $600 per day. So if we continue this move for another 3 days, then we would if we would then drop to the EMA ribbon, it would be then around the $50,000 level approximately here. So if we continue to go like this, so then by next week we would be around the $50,000 level, and I think that is a high likely chance that this is gonna occur, and that we will get a touch on the EMA ribbon when the EMA ribbon has crossed the $50,000 mark. So, but in the immediate short term, even if I go down to the hourly, so here, this uptrend is going on for a long time already, and the EMA ribbon likes also to flip here once again. So let me pull here some other indicators to confirm this. Yeah, so you see here also the stochastic RSI is here at the top. So we are on the stochastic once again overbought. So a correction here on the 1 hourly would be not uncommon. So, and then we could, like I mentioned yesterday, we could come back down here to like $53,000, $52,800 to confirm the top of now our support box also as support, and from there continue our up move. So don't be shocked if this is occurring now, especially it's the weekend, so we are a little bit more volatile over the weekend. Into Monday, this can obviously happen here. Guys, then another thing, if you're enjoying my content, please subscribe to the channel and also click the notification bell so that you get always notified when I do one of these videos. So, and let me know in the comments what you are thinking. Let me know what you think, what's gonna happen next. Do we go first to $53,000, or will we go first to $58,000 and then have a little pullback? Let me know in the comments below. Then let's have a look on some interesting on-chain data. So here we see something really interesting that I wanted to show you guys. So we saw here when we were coming over the the $38,000 range, $37,000 range, we saw that the amount of bitcoins held by people, or in general, bitcoins that were held were sold off like crazy when we crossed over the $20,000 mark, the prior all-time high. That's why we see here this big drop on this yellow hodling line or lost coins. So, and this continued while we were going up to $60,000. So, but now 9 months later, we see an absolutely different scenario. When we came all the way down to $29,000, we saw one last sharp drop here to the downside from hodlers or lost coins in general in August. And since then, people are accumulating while we are going up instead of selling what we did earlier this year when we went to 60,000. So we are getting closer to 60,000 and people actually now increasing their holdings instead of selling it off. And that is a highly bullish indicator for a well-established bull run and a crazy bull run that we should see here in the next upcoming months. So if you are holding Bitcoin, hold on to your coins, don't sell them. We will see much higher prices here in the next coming weeks and months ahead. So then let us also go here quick into Ethereum. So here in Ethereum, we are still trading here in this bigger rising wedge here. So, and here this ascending triangle seems not to play out because we dropped out of it. Only if this candle right now here, this candle here would push us above and also break here out of the rising wedge, then we could still consider this pattern to be valid. But for the time being, for me, it's invalidated. So, and we should also not forget we are here in this bigger rising wedge. And guys, you know the deal. When we're in a rising wedge, the price normally tends to go to the downside. So, and the downside target for that rising wedge would be all the way down here at $2,700, but I don't believe that we're gonna hit it. So it took Ethereum so long to break here above this former resistance level to flip it into support that I don't believe that this level will now easily give in again when the price would drop it to the downside. But it gives us a nice opportunity to short Ethereum once we're breaking out of this rising wedge. So once we see here a break out of the rising wedge, what I would like to see is that the price comes back up to retest the bottom of this rising wedge as resistance. And then when we are heading down, that is the moment where you want to enter a trade to the downside. So like I said, the technical target would be $2,700, but I don't believe that we go so low. The more likely scenario is that we might go to the bottom of this resistance now support block here, and that would bring us to $3,260 at the maximum extent. So yeah, that would be more or less a really quick scalp trade in Ethereum. So, and if you want to take advantage of these trade codes, guys, don't forget you can still go to Bybit and claim a $600 bonus. And on Phemex, there you still get a 1,200 bonus. These platforms, in my opinion, are the two best leverage platforms that are out there. It doesn't matter which one you're picking. Both are amazing. I like to trade on both really a lot. And for right now, in terms of Bitcoin, guys, don't forget, even though we go sideways and it can be a little bit boring, no trade is sometimes the best trade. So don't forget this, guys. Patience is always key when we are trading, and we don't want to rush into trades, especially when Bitcoin is close to break here key resistance that you should definitely keep in mind. So then let's have a quick look here in EGLD. EGLD is also still trading here sideways. When I break this down here into the 4-hourly chart, after we broke here this bull flag formation to the upside, so we have now resistance at $270, but here I believe we will see soon a break to the upside to complete our technical target. and from there we will reassess the situation. There's actually not much more to say right now for EGLD. So if you're right now in the EGLD trade and you were able to catch here this breakout, then congratulations to you guys. Yeah, you are here maybe 5% up. So yeah, that is already nice profits on this trade. Then in Solana, really quick. So we had here this upwards sloping support line that we have broken here and now turned into resistance, as we can see here. So, but we might form here right now a W pattern. So it's not completed, so that's why I would be here a little bit careful. But yeah, it is not matured enough to confirm this. So, but if we are now see here a little bit further downwards move, a little bit sideways, and then up, then we are most likely confirming this. So, and we will know by tomorrow. So if this would be a W pattern, let's entertain this idea really quick. So then we would see here a move to $184, which brings us above our key resistance zone here. So, and if we are able to manage that, to move here above that resistance zone, then in my opinion, it will take not long until we hit here our golden ratio of 197 and $200. A lot of you guys have requested Cardano, so I want to touch also quick on Cardano. I had said previously that we are might forming here a W pattern. So it seems to be that this is not the case. So, but we might form here right now an ascending triangle. So, and honestly guys, I don't know exactly which direction this will go. So technically, because we are coming here out of a downtrend, this should be a continuation pattern to the downside. So, but sometimes we also see these patterns, even though they should lean bearish, breaking to the upside. So in these cases, what we should do is we should wait that we are getting a confirmed breakdown or a confirmed breakout to one of both sides. So if this would go to the upside, then we would see here a move to approximately $2.73. And if that would be breaking to, so if this would break to the downside, as it should, so then we are talking about a move to the Fibonacci retracement level here, the 0.65, 0.618 to $1.96, $1.91. So, and then the technical target would be at $1.88. So right now we are still consolidating here in that ascending triangle, which is by textbook a more bullish pattern. So, but because we're coming here out of a downtrend, we have to lean here a little bit more to the bearish side right now, unless we are breaking this obviously to the upside. So yeah, but either way we can make money here. So just wait for a break and a confirmation, and this would give us then to both sides a 16.5% trade. So with 10x, that's 165%. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this content. I have some amazing news coming up in the next coming weeks. So I'm actually partnering with a Chinese platform, so that we can also reach even more people also in China, and they have over 100,000 people on their platform, which is crazy. So yeah, thanks again for everybody that is watching and supporting me on this channel. I really appreciate it, and you are touching my heart by this. That's yeah, it's really amazing. So please smash up the like button, destroy the subscribe button, and also click the notification bell, and I will see you tomorrow.